Brush our teeth. Brush our teeth. You have to brush your teeth every single day. Put to the best. To side. Cross to cross. Cross to cross. Up and down. Up and down. Turn your brush to your tongue. Keep your teeth healthy. Twice a day. 1. Brush your teeth when you get up in the morning, and brush your teeth when you are going to sleep. Now take your brush, open its cap and give it your mouth and don't put too much. Do first like this, side to side. And roll to cross. And up and down. And this time, do this like this, and go like this, and round, and cross to start, and up, and down. And when your mouth is clean, you have to take care of your tongue also, right?